Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Want to make bigger commissions without needing hundreds of sales? Let's simplify that by breaking down how to promote high-ticket affiliate offers effectively. How to promote high-ticket affiliate offers effectively. High-ticket offers can pay $500, $1,000, or even more, but they require a different approach than low-ticket items. Here's how to make them work. Here's what to focus on. Build trust first. People won't spend big money on a single click. Use long-form content, email sequences, or webinars to nurture trust. Choose quality offers. The product must really solve a problem. Look for coaching programs, software, masterminds, or premium tools with proof and testimonials. Why this works? High ticket isn't about more traffic, it's about a deeper connection. When you promote a high-value solution the right way, one sale can be worth dozens of low-ticket commissions. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.